I have had this old chair in my room for years, but I decided it's old enough to throw away. But I don't want to be one of those people to add to the garbage landfill. I'll just reupholster it and keep using my spin around chair. But I needed sturdy material to make it new. I chose a robin's egg blue with gold. There were two long panels of curtain for me. When I got home, I opened and unhemmed the curtains and took them apart. I separated where there was a seam in the curtain and determined to make every part of the curtain straight on the chair and not waste any of the material. Finally, I laid the curtain I cut in half onto the chair. Now that the material is pinned to the chair and to the ottoman, I actually hand stitched it. You can use yours on the sewing machine, but hand stitching it was easier because I pinned it to the chair. I used one panel of curtain, wrapping it in one piece all around the whole ottoman. I overlapped the top and I sewed it down like four corners as if it were envelope style. After sewing down the four corners, I sewed the side and hemmed it. Then I finished the square in the middle by folding a small section under it and attaching it. The center of the chair, I folded and stitched it down in pleats so the material was not bunched up in the middle. And I stitched it along the sides also on the strip of the chair. And I was all hand stitched.